Hello guys, welcome back to Bitcoin Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram Messenger update is not showing or Messenger icon is completely missing on your Android device when you're trying to open your Instagram, and how we can fix it. Right now, as you can see here at the top, I'm having the Messenger icon, but this wasn't the same when I was trying to launch it few hours back, because this particular icon was completely missing from there. So right now we're going to talk about how we can fix this, right? So the first step is all about you have to clear all data on your Instagram app, and also I'll be telling one more steps which you have to take care of, or else you'll be having the trouble along the way. So you have to take care of it, which I'll give you in the last. So please watch the video completely. So the first and the basic step which you have to try out is you just have to clear the data. So what you have to do, you just have to press okay, or else you can just go over here easily at the top, just tap over here in the gear icon, so that will take you to the settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down and we have apps option, tap on it, and from here you just have to scroll down. So you just have to select all apps, okay, just wait for it. So once you get this, these are the available installed app right now on my Android device. So here what I have to do is I just have to navigate to Instagram, or I can search at the top over here in the search icon for Instagram. Both are fine. You just have to scroll down, and now as you can see I am able to find Instagram. Just tap on it. Now from here I just have to do is so guys, now from here what you have to do is you just have to tap on storage, and there are two options, clear data as well as clear cache. So what you have to just have to go for clear data. When you go for clear data, you don't have to worry, it will not delete any of your saved videos, photos or anything. You just have to clear data. So what happens is, in some cases and some scenarios you might have to log in once again, which can be done from your side. So just go for clear data. Once you're done with the clear data, you just have to clear the background, and you just have to go back to the Instagram, and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. But even some cases it won't be working fine, like it won't be working good. So what you have to do is you just have to make sure you just have to scroll it once again, and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. Even if it's still persisting with the issue, the next is all about we have to follow one more method, right? So this particular method is what you have to just have to tap over here at the bottom. As you can see, there is a profile icon. You just have to tap here at the bottom. Now from here at the bottom you just have to tap at the top. As you can see, there is a three vertical horizontal line which is called hamburger button. So you just have to tap on it. Now from here you just have to tap on settings. From here you just have to tap on privacy. Now from here you just have to scroll down, and there is an option called messages. You just have to tap on it. So you don't have to change anything over here in the settings. All you have to just select this one, and once it is done you just have to throw it away once again. And now just open your Instagram app, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed, because you'll be getting the the icon over there, messenger icon over there. So, and also there is one question, why this error happens in between. So one of the reason why which I found myself is, this error is happening because we used to do, some people have a habit of clearing data all the times for the respective app when they are not working correctly. So make sure that you are not doing this method. That means you are just going to settings and selecting the app, and also you are just clearing the data. So clearing the data may make you to get this particular error. And also I would like to add, make sure your apps are up to date. For example, if I search for Instagram here at the top, as you can see, my particular app is not up to date. So if any updates are there, just go for update also, and make sure, and in most cases when your apps are up to date, they will not be behaving anything unexpected. So you can fix this issue by this way. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.